Hey guys, Andrew with 911 South here. So I want to talk tire dressing real quick. Before I get to the product that I'm going to try, let me take you through some of the evolution, at least on my end. This is Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel. This is what I've used forever. Most people would tell you that this lasts longest. It does have a lot of shine. I think this works very well for newer model cars, which is where I've mostly used it in the past. This is Chemical Guy's Natural Shine. Like this, it's less shiny, which is sort of where I'm trying to move. However, it does not last nearly as long in my opinion. And this is CarPro PERL. So this is on the recommendation of Obsessed Garage. Really excited to try this product. Also picked up an Adams foam block to apply it. So stay tuned, I'll show you the results. Just wash the 993 and we'll pop it on.